Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create notes for UPSC exam using Evernote in just a few simple steps. First, click Notebooks in the left sidebar to open your notebooks list. The main view switches to show all your existing notebooks. Click the New Notebook button at the top to open the Create New Notebook dialog. A dialog box appears with a name field and Create button. Type in a name for your notebook. In this example I'm calling it UPSC Prelims 2025, then click the Create button. A success message appears at the top, confirming your notebook was created, and you'll see it added to your notebooks list with the name you just gave it. Click on your new notebook in the list to open it. The notebook opens, showing an empty notes area ready for your first note. Click the New Note button to create your first note inside this notebook. A blank untitled note opens in the editor with the cursor ready in the main text area. Click in the title area at the top and type in your note title. For this example, I'm using Indian Polity Chapter 1 Notes title. Appears as you type, and your note is automatically saved. Click the three dots menu button in the toolbar to open the Note Actions menu. A drop-down menu appears with several note management options. Select Edit Tags from the menu to open the Edit Tags dialog. A dialog window opens showing a tag search field and any existing tags below. In the tag search field, start typing the name of a tag you want to add. In this example, I'm typing polity. Since the tag doesn't exist yet, you'll see a Create Tag option appear with your tag name below the search field. Click the Create Tag option, and the tag will be selected in the dialog with a check mark next to it. A success message confirms the tag was created. Click Save to apply the tag to your note and close the dialog. Another confirmation message appears showing one tag was edited, and your note is now tagged and organized in your UPSC notebook. You'll see the tag displayed on your note in the editor. You can add multiple tags to a single note by typing and creating each one before clicking Save. This helps you cross-reference topics across different subjects. If you need to move a note to a different notebook later, use the three dots menu and select Move Note. Tags stay with the note even when you move it between notebooks, so you can filter your study material across your entire account. And that's how to create notes for UPSC exam using Evernote. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.